Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Microsoft Outlook integration. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator homepage. Log in to your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate the Sales Navigator option in the menu. Click on Sales Navigator to access your dashboard. On the Sales Navigator screen, find the Settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on the Settings icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section. Click on the Account section to view your integration options. Within the Account section, search for the Integrations tab. Click on the Integrations tab to see available options. You should now see an option for Microsoft Outlook integration. Click on the Microsoft Outlook integration option. Here, you will be prompted to connect your Microsoft account. Click the Connect button to initiate the authorization process. A new window will appear, prompting you to log into your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and click Sign In. You may be asked to grant permission. Review the permissions carefully and click Accept to authorize the integration. Once authorized, return to the Sales Navigator dashboard. Your Microsoft Outlook integration should now be active. To ensure everything is set up correctly, click on Settings once more. Navigate back to the Integrations tab and verify that Outlook shows as connected. You can now access Sales Navigator features directly within your Microsoft Outlook account. Open Microsoft Outlook to start utilizing the integration. You should see a new Sales Navigator sidebar or tab in your Outlook interface. From here, you can capture leads, view LinkedIn profiles, and access Sales Navigator functionality seamlessly. Explore the options available to maximize your productivity with the new integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.